conditionals. Conditional clauses in English consist of two parts, the if clause, the hypothesis, and the main clause, the result. When the if clause comes before the main clause, the two clauses are separated with a comma. Like in this example, if the weather is good, we will go on a picnic. But we don't use a comma when the if clause follows the main clause. For example, we will go on a picnic if the weather is good. Types of conditionals are zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Or with other words, we can say type 0, type 1, type 2, and type 3. Zero conditional is formed this way. We need if plus present simple to form the if clause and present simple for the main clause. First conditional, if plus present simple to form the if clause and future simple or going to form the main clause. For the second conditional, we need if plus past simple for the if clause and would plus infinitive for the main clause. While for the third conditional, we need if plus past perfect to form the if clause and would have plus past participle to form the main clause. Now let's see each one. Type 0, zero conditional. The formulation is, as you can see, if or when plus present simple for the if clause and present simple for the main clause. It is used to express a general truth or a scientific fact. For example, if you stay in the sun too long, you get sunburned. Or, if people eat too much, they get fat. This is a general truth. As you can see, if you stay, if plus present simple stay in the sun too long, you get the main clause is in present simple. First conditional. The formulation is like this. We need if plus present simple to have the if clause, and the main clause is in future simple, or we can also use the going to. It is used to talk about actions or events in the future which are likely to happen. For example, if I finish my homework early, I will come to the party. If I finish my homework early, I'll come to the party. But if I don't, then I won't come. If it rains tomorrow, I'll stay home. As you can see, if it rains is present simple if clause, I will stay future simple main clause. Second conditional. The if clause is if plus past simple, while the main clause is would plus infinitive. And the second conditional is used to express an unreal imaginary situation in the present or in the future, and it is also used to give advice too. We have the examples here. If I had a few days off, I would go to the seaside, but it means I don't have a few days off and I won't go. It's unreal past. One more time. If plus past simple, if I had past simple to form the if clause, while for the rest of the sentence or the main sentence we have would plus infinitive, in this case is go, I would go to the seaside. Or, if I were you, I would see a doctor. If I were you is in past simple, I would see a doctor. Would plus infinitive, the verb see. Third conditional. For the third conditional, to form the if clause, we need if plus past perfect simple, while for the main clause, we need would have plus past participle. It is used to express an imaginary situation in the past or to express regret or criticism. We have the examples. If they had seen James, they would have told him. They would have told me. Let's see. If past perfect simple had seen. If they had seen James, then the main clause, they would have told me. Would have plus past participle of the main verb. Would have told me. If they had seen James, they would have told me, but they didn't. This is just a situation that is imagined and not true. If you had studied harder, you wouldn't have failed the exam. This is a criticism. It means you hadn't studied and you failed. Here we have examples for each type. Let's go together and see. Type 0. If ice melts, it becomes water. This is a general fact. If I pass my exams, my parents will buy me a game console. It's type 1. If I had a laptop, I could watch DVDs in my bedroom. Type 2. It's unreal past. I don't have and I can't watch movies in my bed. If you had copied your photos into a CD, you wouldn't have lost them when your computer crashed. This is another imaginary situation or criticism. That's all about conditionals. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you understood. You can watch this video as many times as you think you need, and you can check the grammar reference pages that are GR8, GR9 at the end of your on-screen 3 students' books. Thank you very much, and we will meet very soon online.